Tom, you're in the middle of your mini cut. You could just, no, I'm gonna be good, I'm gonna be good. Hello and welcome to the video today where I'm gonna be doing the second part of this little series that I'm doing to help you get back into your training once you've had a break. So maybe you've been training at home and you're not gonna have too much of a problem getting back into the gym, or maybe you've done absolutely nothing and you have to start again from fresh to get back into your training. So I've already done part one, which is about the nutrition side of things, and I've actually already done a video which gave a brief summary of the entire thing, the training and nutrition, everything, and get back into it. I'll link both videos in the description, but today I'm going to exclusively be talking about the training, so stay tuned, it's going to be a good one.
Do you want custard with your donut?
No, I don't want a donut. I told you I'm not eating donuts. So I fancied a change of scenery rather than sat at my desk and doing the video. I thought I would come down to the living room and make it a little bit different so you don't get bored of me. So, training wise, I'm not going to go over old ground on what I've said in other videos because that would be boring and pointless and subscribers would switch off, they'd leave me, I'd have no subscribers, I'd cry, get upset, give up on everything. So, what I'm going to talk about today is, from the training point of view, you already know about muscle memory and all that sort of thing and how you can get the most out of that and see great results from it. But I'm actually going to talk about the training splits that I would recommend to avoid muscle soreness. Now you are going to have muscle soreness, but you don't want to have it extreme because then it's going to affect your workouts and it's just going to make progress that much slower when you get back into training. So what do I recommend you do? Don't try and do these big compound lifts. Let's look at a deadlift as an example. When you do the deadlift, it's a power lift. You're having to recruit a lot of muscles and you're having to recruit a lot of strength in order to do it. Therefore, you're going to have a huge amount of muscle soreness. Now, most people will not have the equipment at home to do these power lifts, to do big bench press, to do big deadlifts, to do big squats. So when you go back into the gym and you all of a sudden do that and start to try and lift heavy weight, you're then going to really feel it for several days afterwards, and it's going to affect your next workout and the next workout and could even get you injured. So I would recommend to start off with, you avoid those big power lifts like deadlifts and squats and that sort of thing, and focus more on the isolation side of things and really getting that contraction to make the most of the muscle memory that's going to happen. So that's the first thing. Now, whatever training split you've been doing before, maybe you've been doing full body, you might have been doing push-pull legs, or you were doing individual muscle groups, I would recommend you start with individual muscle groups. So you do a chest day, a shoulder day, then you would do an arm day, or however you want to split it up and in what order you want to do it. The reason I recommend you do it like that is because you're going to need more rest when you've been away. When you're training frequently, your body gets used to that, and therefore the recovery happens so much quicker and you adapt that much quicker. When you've been away and you come back, it's a shock to the system and you're not going to be as quick and you're not going to bounce back from workout to workout like you normally would do. So to give your body the chance to do that, I recommend you give your muscle groups more rest than you normally would do. So do muscle group splits, so do your chest day, shoulder day, etc., because then that gives you the chance for recovery. Then slowly progress your workout. So after a couple of weeks and your muscles are feeling a bit more normal, you're more confident with the movements and the soreness has gone down, then go on to maybe a push-pull leg split, or however you're doing your splits before. I'd imagine if you're an advanced lifter you weren't doing muscle group splits. What? Yeah. You are going to be doing something push-pull legs or full body or something like that. You'll be doing something different than you just standard individual muscle groups. So start with that and progress back into your normal routine. Now, intensity wise, I did touch on it in the other video, but I'll just briefly go over it again. Don't start off with something ridiculously heavy and a big long workout, because you're just gonna get injured and you're gonna be far too sore. Do sensible amount of sets, so something that keeps you at the RPE, so your rate of perceived exertion, which is a scale of 1 to 10. So go for like a 7 out of 10. Or when you're doing your exercises, don't go in on an 8 or 9 out of 10 with your exercises, because you're just going to get sore, you're going to get injured, and it's not going to be fun. So be sensible and work your way into it. No need to go for a stupidly long workout. If you're in there for more than an hour, then unnecessary. Doesn't need to be that long. Be sensible about it and ease your way back into it, yeah? Don't go in and just think, oh right, gyms are open now, hell for leather, straight to it, and start trying to think you're gonna do the same weights and the same intensity that you did when gyms were open previously, because it just won't happen. I just got the email coming through, so I wanted to throw it in here. Now, this is the delivery date to me for the clothes that people have ordered from me. So I will get it to you as soon as I can once I receive it. So yeah, I'll do my best. If you haven't seen the clothes and you wanted to and you're interested in ordering some, then go over to my Instagram and it is all on there, and just give us a shout on there. So a nice and short and sweet one from me today, because I didn't want to go over old ground from what I've already spoken about before. Link for those videos is going to be in the description below to go and check those out, so you can really understand what I recommend you do when you're going back to the gym. Now, if you are just going to ignore my advice and go straight back into the gym and lift all you can, please hit the subscribe button. I welcome that. Well done you. If you're going to be a bit more sensible, then please also hit the subscribe button, because I would love to have you around as well. Thank you very much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.